Imagine living in a world where your smartphone doesn't live in your pocket anymore, but right in front of your eyes. A world where you don't have to look down at a screen, swipe through apps, or juggle notifications. Instead, everything you need: directions, translations, reminders. Even an AI assistant just floats in your vision as naturally as the real world around you. That's the future Xiaomi wants us to step into with their brand new AI glasses. And today on Tech Vibe, we're going to peel back the layers of this futuristic gadget to see if it's truly groundbreaking or just another flashy piece of tech hype. Stay with me, because what I'm about to show you might make you rethink how you'll use technology 5 years from now. The first thing that grabs you about Xiaomi's AI glasses is the design. We've seen smart glasses before: Google Glass, Ray-Ban, Meta, even attempts from smaller startups, but most of them made you look like you were wearing something out of a sci-fi lab, not a cafe. Xiaomi clearly took notes and delivered something sleek, lightweight, and surprisingly stylish. You could actually walk down the street with these on and not feel like everyone's staring. That's the first hook right there. They don't scream tech gadget, they whisper it, which makes them wearable in everyday life. But the magic isn't in the frame, it's in what's hidden inside. Xiaomi has packed a micro-LED display into these lenses, projecting sharp and bright visuals that feel surprisingly natural. Think of it like a smart overlay for your reality. Need directions? A glowing arrow floats ahead of you. Need to check a notification? It slips into view without taking over your vision. The experience is subtle, but in the best way possible. It doesn't feel like you're entering a VR world, it feels like reality. Just got a smart upgrade, and here's where it gets jaw-dropping. The AI brain inside these glasses doesn't just show you things, it helps you make sense of them. Real-time translation is one of the killer features. Imagine you're sitting in a Paris cafe, staring at a French menu you can't read. Instead of pulling out your phone, you just look, and the glasses instantly overlay the English version. Same with conversations: someone speaks in another language, and subtitles roll out in front of your eyes in real time. That's not convenience, that's a superpower. But Xiaomi didn't stop there. The glasses double as a true AI assistant. You can ask questions, set reminders, and even generate information on the fly, all with simple voice commands. You're walking past a landmark. The glasses can tell you what it is, when it was built, and why it's important. Browsing in a store, they can compare prices and show reviews right in front of you. Suddenly, instead of fumbling for your phone every few minutes, information just comes to you. And the more you use it, the more natural it feels, like the tech has melted into the background of your life. That's when you start to realize how game-changing this could be. Comfort is another crucial factor. If you can't wear them all day, they're pointless. Thankfully, Xiaomi thought this through. The glasses are lightweight, balanced, and don't feel like a burden on your nose or ears. Battery life is another win. You can get a solid day of mixed use, and the compact charging case makes topping up as easy as charging earbuds. That little detail alone makes them practical enough to use daily, not just occasionally. Now, let's address the elephant in the room: privacy. Having cameras and microphones strapped to your face raises questions, right? Xiaomi tackled this by adding clear indicators whenever the camera is active, so people around you aren't caught off guard. Many AI tasks are processed locally, too, instead of constantly pinging the cloud. Does that erase all concerns? No, but it shows Xiaomi is at least aware that privacy could make or break the future of wearables. And here's where the glasses really start to feel like they can adapt to anyone's lifestyle. Into fitness. You can see your workout metrics floating in real time as you jog, no wrist checks needed. Into photography. The built-in camera lets you capture moments from your perspective hands-free, immersive, and natural. Professionals can use them for live transcriptions during meetings or glance at notes without ever breaking eye contact. It's one of those devices where the more you think about use cases, the more possibilities pop into your head. But no first-generation tech is perfect. The display, while sharp, is still just a small overlay window, not the immersive AR experience you'd get from something like Apple Vision Pro. And app support, at least for now, is limited. Xiaomi's ecosystem is strong, but if you're hoping to run every third-party app out of the box, you'll probably have to wait for updates. These limitations don't break the experience, but they do remind you that we're still in the early chapters of smart glasses. Pricing also makes this more of an early adopter product. They're not as expensive as a full AR headset, but they're definitely not cheap. Right now, Xiaomi is targeting enthusiasts, professionals, and travelers. who see value in futuristic features. For the everyday consumer, the glasses might feel like overkill, but then again, think about smartphones in the early 2000s, expensive, niche, and unnecessary. Fast forward, and now we can't imagine life without them. Smart glasses could be on that exact same path, and Xiaomi wants to be one of the pioneers. What really makes these glasses stick in your mind isn't just the specs, it's the shift in perspective. You don't realize how much friction your phone introduces until you stop using it. Checking directions, notifications, translations, those little interruptions break the flow of real life. Xiaomi's AI glasses flip that. Instead of you chasing information, information quietly comes to you. That's the hook that sticks. Once you've felt that seamless integration, it's hard to imagine going back to staring at your phone every 5 minutes. So, should you buy them? If you're looking for a fully polished, app-packed product, maybe wait for version 2 or 3. But if you're ready to experiment with one of the most exciting and practical smart glasses we've seen so far, Xiaomi's AI glasses deserve a spot on your radar. They're stylish, intelligent, surprisingly usable, and they point to a future where our relationship with technology looks completely different at the end of the day. Xiaomi hasn't just made another wearable, they've made a statement that the age of constantly looking down at your phone might be coming to an end. That our digital lives could finally merge with our physical world in a way that feels natural instead of distracting. And while it's still early days, this could very well be the start of a shift, as big as the jump from flip phones to smartphones. So, I want to hear from you. Do you see yourself wearing AI glasses like these every day? Would you be comfortable letting a device this powerful sit on your face all day long, or do you think it's too soon to trust it? Drop your thoughts in the comments, because I'm curious to know if you see smart glasses as the future or just another passing experiment. And don't go anywhere, because here on Tech Vibe, we're always bringing you closer to the devices shaping tomorrow.